This is the official video of Project TOV. I welcome you all. Here we go by simple introduction.
I am Kshitij, class 12 science, roll number 10, group number 2.
Hello, I am Somay of class 12 science. My roll number is 18 and I am from group number 2.
My name is Sandeep Kumar. I'm from class 12 science, roll number 17 and group 2.
My name is Tushar Gupta from class 12 science, roll number 19, group number 2. So guys, see you in 3.5 seconds.
Hey guys, I am back. Let's talk about AIM. AIM. Our aim was to create a Python game. In this, we wanted to give a skinny background and many viruses would be lying on it, and there would be a sanitizer. Viruses would be marching towards the sanitizer, and sanitizer would be acting as a gun, and sanitizer drops would be acting as bullets. Person playing the game should aim and hit the viruses. If he was successful in hitting the viruses, then viruses would die. In the same manner, if he is able to kill all the viruses, he will win the game. If he is not able to kill all the viruses in a specified time, or the viruses reach the top point or touch the sanitizer, then he will lose the game. Moreover, he will have the option to play the game again even if he loses or wins the game. In this way, if he wins the game, he will have an option to improve his score, and if he loses the game, he will have the option to learn and win the game next time.
Now we move to the coding department of our project TOV, aka Somay and Sandeep.
Code of our project. This is the logo of our game. We will go to my computer, then to downloads. We will locate a folder TOV. In this folder, we have 4 more folders and 1 file. Now these 2 folders, PyCache build and the file tov.spec, are very important in the game execution. These are system generated files and should not be deleted and replaced in the same folder. We have another folder, graphics and audio. In this, we have all the music and images used in our game. We have death sound, which is played when a virus dies. Game sound, which is the background music of our game. Shoot sound, which is played when the sanitizer drops a drop. Now we have a background image of our game, our player image, our logo, and our virus image. The executable file and code is placed in the distribution folder or dist. In this, we have all the music and images again. This music and images should be placed in the same folder as of the executable file and code, otherwise the code will not run. Now let's take a look at our code. For this game, we used Turtle module, operating system module, math module, random module, time module, MySQL connector, Pygame module. Turtle module was used to add background and images to our game. Operating system module was used to identify the operating system in which the game is played. Math module was used to create function for collision in the game. Random module was used to add random location of the virus. Time module was used to store the time taken by a player in completing the game. MySQL connector was used to connect our game to a in-computer database which stores all the time taken by different players. The Pygame module was used to add music to our game. Now let's take a look at our gameplay. As you can see, we use our sanitizer player to kill all the viruses. The player should kill all the virus in the minimum game time possible. The lowest time will be taken as a new record. And let's take a look again. Now I will show the scenario in which we lose the game. I will not play the sanitizer, and the virus will go towards the sanitizer. And once it reaches the game, we will lose the game. Thank you. Now we move to the graphic department.
So guys, this is Tushar Gupta. I am the in charge of the graphical department of Project TOV. So here we go. This is the main logo or the banner of our game. So as you can see, this image depicts terror, which was our goal to aware the player about the virus and its terror. You can see big alphabet saying take, a small board on and down with chain, it's virus. So I was very confused with the design of character. I know that it's going to be a sanitizer. So I decided to go out and get a inspiration. But I was getting late, so I decided to go back to my home. But at a sudden, in the middle, I realized I have an idea, so I rushed back to my home. Meanwhile, I was rushing back to home in order to grab something to draw my idea.
A few minutes later.
This is the sample which I have created on MS Paint to show my team what type of character I am thinking to design. They asked me the design is fine and I can do my perfection work on it. As you can see in your screen, a sanitizer is visible, and now I have created two images so that I can animate it also. As you can see, the sanitizer is blinking his eyes and opening his eyes again.
Approximately 10 hours later.
After hours of discussion, we finalized the color as green and blue. As you know, blue depicts ocean and green depicts green lands on Earth. By selecting these colors, we are giving a message that Earth can be saved by the use of sanitizer from the virus. I created this one on Photoshop, although I was new to the software, but I learned from the tutorials available on YouTube. I have utilized my internet to go around and watch other YouTubers to learn how to use Photoshop. I have created around 5 images so that my friends can select from, and we can also animate the image like I have showed you earlier. Let's get a look at my 5 images. This is the first, eyes wide open, hair partially closed, not partially but bit closed, and eyes not visible. And this one is like just cutted the eyes. So if I move them fastly, like again and again, it feel like the character is blinking his eyes, like here, as you can see. So we have also animated the character by simply adding the images one by one.
Motivation for the project TOV. We all know that the world is going through one of the biggest pandemics, the COVID-19, in the history of mankind. So me and my teams wanted to bring out our creative ideas to the fullest and create a Python game, as digital gaming is growing rapidly. By this, we wanted to encourage the act of sanitizing and importance of washing of hands. Advantages of take on virus: training and improvement of mental abilities. It has been proven in some studies that if we play video games daily, we can improve our visual attention and be more efficient in changing tasks, be faster in tasks where we have to perform a visual search or discriminate objects by their shape or color. Used for entertainment in leisure time, we need to get distracted so we do not feel stressed and our day to day or just fight the daily boredom. For this reason, video games are a great means of entertainment. Increase in self-confidence and self-esteem. The use of video game also creates feelings of self-esteem and competition in players' game to after game. As you overcome different challenges and levels, you feel better about yourself and able to meet different challenges. Increase awareness. We are able to spread awareness among the people and the need of hygiene and the importance of sanitizing, and also making them aware of the fact that the virus can be killed or kept away by following preventive measures. Finish negativity. Due to spread of this deadly virus, many people have become depressed and have lost hope and are feeling that they cannot overcome this pandemic. Now I hand over the bibliography to Somay.
For this project, we took help of our Class 12th IP textbook by Sumita Arora, Class 11th IP textbook by Sumita Arora, Class 12th IP textbook by Preeti Arora, and Class 11th IP textbook by Preeti Arora. YouTube channels like Tokyo Attack, MyStudy.com, and Codeway Dhari helped us in learning about Turtle module, Time module, and MySQL connection. Websites like pineapple.com, dev.mysql.com, geeks4geeks.org, stackexchange.com, realpython.com, docspython.com, tigerjason.com helped us in resolving our in-game queries and errors. And all the graphics were made by using photoshop.adobe.com and jiffy.com.
Somay, you forgot it one thing. You made this video using Adobe Premiere Pro.
Yes, Kshitij, thank you.
So guys, that's it. Thank you very much for watching our video. This is Tushar Gupta from Team TOB.